Welcome to Butterfly Solutions for Mathematics. Now we are discussing a very important part of mathematics, that is laws of exponents. Laws of exponents, another name is laws of integers. Laws of exponents. 1. A raised to m into a raised to n equals a raised to m plus n. A raised to m the whole raised to n equals a raised to mn, m into n. A raised to m by a raised to n, a raised to m minus n, a raised to p by a raised to q. If q is greater than p, then the result is 1 by a raised to q minus p. Like that, this one, fifth one, 1 by a raised to m the whole raised to n the whole raised to p equals 1 by a raised to m n p equals, when we bring it to the numerator, it becomes a raised to minus of m and p. In the denominator, if a term is in exponential form and if we want to bring it to the numerator, the exponent will become negative. That's the rule here. Next, some identities we are discussing here. One, using radical sign, the sum of the identities are here. One, root AB, that is split into root A into root B. 2. Root A by B equals root A by root B. 3. Root of A by B the whole squared equals A by B. How it comes like that? Root A by root of A by B, when it is written in exponential form, it becomes A by B the whole raised to 1 by 2. A by B the whole raised to 1 by 2 the whole squared. That is A raised to 1 by 2 into 2 equals A by B the whole raised to 1. That is A by B. Root A plus root B the whole squared. That means A plus B the whole squared, A squared plus B squared plus 2AB. But root A the whole squared becomes A. Root B the whole squared becomes B. Plus 2 root AB. 2 into root A into root B equals 2 root AB. Root A minus root B the whole squared equals A plus B minus 2 root AB. Root A plus root B into root B, C plus root D, root AC plus root AD plus root BC plus root BD. Root A plus root B into root A minus root B. This is following an identity A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B, what is the expansion? A squared minus B squared. Is it not? Therefore, root A plus root B into root A minus root B gives root A the whole squared. Root A the whole squared means A raised to 1 by 2 the whole squared. A raised to 1 by 2 the whole squared equals A raised to 1 by 2 into 2. 1 by 2 into 2 results in 1. Therefore, A raised to 1 minus root B the whole squared. B raised to 1 by 2 into 2 equals B raised to 1 minus B. Like that, root A plus root B into root A minus root B equals A minus B. Therefore, once more I am recalling these identities Root AB equals root A into root B. That means root A raised to 1 by 2 into B raised to 1 by 2. That's all. No changes comes there. Root of A by B equals root A by root B. In exponential form, this becomes A raised to 1 by 2 by B raised to 1 by 2. That is A by B the whole raised to 1 by 2 we can write in exponential form. This also A raised to 1 by 2 into B raised to 1 by 2. That is AB the whole raised to 1 by 2 we can write. Here A by B the whole raised to 1 by 2 into 2. Root A by B. A by B the whole raised to 1 by 2 into 2. 1 by 2 into 2 gives 1. That is A by B. Root A plus root B the whole squared. Root A the whole squared is A. Root B the whole squared is B. Plus 2 into root A into root B gives root of AB. Root A minus root B the whole squared equals root A the whole squared. A raised to 1 by 2 into 2, A raised to 1. That is A. B raised to 1 by 2 into 2 gives B raised to 1. That is B. Plus 2 into root A into root B. Root A into root B equals root AB. Therefore 2 root AB. Next, root A plus root B into root C plus root D gives root A into root C root of AC. Root A into root D gives root AD. Root B into root C gives root BC. Root B into root D gives root BD. Then we have to follow the signs also. A minus B the whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. A plus B the whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Like that. A plus B into C plus D. AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. But root, this radical sense also comes there. Next, A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. A raised to 1 by 2, the whole raised to 2. 1 by 2 into 2 gives 1. B raised to 1 by 2 into 2 gives B raised to 1. That is A minus B. Therefore, these identities are, I think that the identities are so familiar for you. Irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? A surd. Surd means an irrational number. Irrational root. Root 3. 3 raised to 1 by 2. This is in the simplest form. 3 raised to 1 by 2. We can't simplify it more. Root 3. Therefore, root 3, root 2, root 5, like that. Or cube root 5, or fifth root 3, like that we can say. They are surds. A surd number, especially the irrational root of an integer. For integer, the irrational root, that's it. The irrational root means root 3. In exponential form, we can write 3 raised to 1 by 2, but root 3 is irrational number. Find the simplest rationalizing factor. Root 32. Root 32. 32 when split into prime factors, we will get 2 raised to 4 into 2. 2 raised to 4, square root this one. Therefore, 2 raised to 4, the whole raised to 1 by 2 gives 2 raised to 4. Therefore, 2 raised to 4, the 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. Therefore, into 2. 16 into 2, 32. Root 16 is a perfect square and we can write it as 4. But root 2 is not perfect square. Therefore, root 2. 2 is the simplest form, it is a prime number. The only one even prime number is 2 root 2. Therefore, 4 into root 2, 4 root 2. The simplest rationalizing factor is 2. Root 2 is the simplest rationalizing factor. If we want to rationalize this root 32, we should multiply root 32 into root 2. Root 32 into root 2 gives root 64. Root 64 equals 8. That is rationalized. It is a number, clean number. Therefore, 4 root 2, that is the answer. 4 root 2 into root 2. This is the rationalizing factor. 4 into 2 gives 8. That is, when you multiply this 32 into 2, it becomes 64. Root 64 equals 8. Therefore, root 32 is called a mixed surd. Why? Because 4 root 2. 4 is a whole number and root 2 is irrational number. Therefore, irrational factor when comes with a whole number, then this becomes a mixed surd or mixed irrational number. Next one. Fifth root of a squared b cube c raised to 4. Fifth root of a raised to 2 into b raised to 3 into c raised to 4. Fifth root. Fifth root, when we have to make it a mere number, a raised to 5 here comes. A raised to 2 into a raised to 3 gives a raised to 2 plus 3 a raised to 5. Therefore, fifth root of a raised to 2 into a raised to 3. Next, b raised to 3 into b raised to 2, b raised to 5. C raised to 4 into C raised to 1. That gives fifth root of A raised to 5 into B raised to 5 into C raised to 5. Then when we remove the radical sign, A raised to 5 into B raised to 5 into C raised to 5, the whole raised to 1 by 5. Fifth root, when converted into exponential form, this becomes the whole raised to 1 by 5. So a raised to 5 into 1 by 5 gives a raised to 1. B raised to 5 into 1 by 5 gives b raised to 1. C raised to 5 into 1 by 5 gives c raised to 1. Therefore, here we have to insert fifth root of a cube for a squared, b squared for b cube, c raised to 1 for c raised to 4. That is fifth root of a cube is additionally inserted here, b squared is additionally inserted here, and c raised to 1 is additionally inserted here. That is c raised to 1. Therefore, fifth root of a cube b squared c raised to 1 is the simplest rationalizing factor for this given irrational number. That's all. In the next video we can meet.